Hey, I'm Tomer and I'm the product manager for Apliqo UX at Apliqo. On this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to export data to Excel and load it back to Planning Analytics or TM1 using Apliqo UX. Let me show you how to do it. A very common request among end users using web application for planning is the ability to export to Excel and update the system later from the same Excel file. Apliqo UX support exactly that. In the following template, load from Excel, we have the product dimensions on the rows and the months dimension on the columns. So first, let's export this to Excel. This time we would use the Excel load format. We showed the previous format in the previous video, so you can check it out if you missed it. So once the file is being generated, load from Excel, I'm going to open it. I'm going to enable editing and adjust the width so it's a bit more readable. And just for the sake of the example, I could take the value 123, put it all across the table, and save the file. I will now go back to the application and click on the Load from Excel button. This enables me to choose a file from any location in my computer or simply dragging a file into the dedicated drop zone. So once I drag the file, load from Excel, the file I just generated, and click on the upload, I would get a preview of the same exact file I was just dragging into the interface. And I get a notification message letting me know that I'm about to write data back to TM1. And by clicking on the load, now the data has been completely loaded to TM1, and if I refresh the template, we can see that all the leaf level elements on the product has been updated to the 123 values, while all the consolidations were ignored. So the load from Excel mechanism is smart enough to skip any consolidations or elements which are not part of the dimension. The Load from Excel widget is fully generic and could be easily configured with a drag and drop interface. So if I open the pop-up once more, and this time I will click on the cube settings, we would see that we selected the widget type to be XLS upload. We selected a target cube, which is the retail, and then we just need to configure which dimension is set on the rows and which one on the columns. We would then look for all the row elements to exist in the product dimensions and all the column elements to exist in the period dimension. All the rest of the dimension values would be just inherited from the view and the values the user is currently selected. And that's how easy it is to load data back from Excel using Apliqo UX.
Follow the links for more Apliqo UX videos. If you enjoyed what you saw, tell us what you think in the comments box below and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out our newest content. Thanks and see you on the next one.